Hello, my name, Hisham Razik.
And my name Mecca Maulana. Here we will explain.
Perpetual report project management. Making and installing 10 units of trellis doors with a size of 3 square meters in classrooms at Sman 1 Kedamean. The work of installing trellis doors is one of the stages in the house building process, but sometimes it is also in the renovation process. This research was conducted with a case study of installing 10 units of trellis doors in the Sman 1 Kedamean building with a door area of 3 square meters, 200 by 150 centimeters, used for learning classrooms. Observations were made on the activity of the masons who installed the trellis door in one of the Sman 1 Kedamean buildings. The following is a documentation of our observations. WBS and OBS.
This project network. Total project duration and activities include into critical path.
Project schedule in Microsoft Project. Project crashing. Estimated time to complete the project equals 12 days. Total critical path variance, standard deviation, 0 probability value. Analyze and compare with the project scheduling from Microsoft Project. From my analysis, the table is the same as the project I made on October 1st, 2020 to October 16th, 2020. From the calculation and processing of the data above, it is appropriate and is the same as the calculations that have. Thank you.
Thank you.